Fun times.
So much fun going so fast up the hills.
Yeah, yeah. Keep an eye out for the other guy.
That's not what I thought it was.
Looks at.
Thought I was gonna go straight up.
Yeah, I wouldn't go up that one.
I could either go way to the right or on the left there looks like a pretty easy one.
Yeah, might be steeper than you realize when you get up there, so be careful. Be careful. Yeah, check it out from the top before you do anything, okay?
I gotta say, I like hopping on the bikes and just flying around here so much more than just getting out of the parking lot.
Yeah, I know.
And all the rocks.
Yep. Yep. This is a seriously nice change of pace, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I'm liking it. Yeah, but hey, we gotta be careful here because we can get way out of control way fast. Mm-hmm. Okay, the nice thing about riding trails is you have a little break between the crazy. Now it's just all crazy. So stay in control, okay?
Yeah, I want to head down to where we almost parked, but there was jumps. I want to hit those and head over to where we were yesterday and do a couple things there, mainly because I just want to go fast.
All right. Following you. Yeah, but who knows what's on top?
Yeah. Actually, looking over there.
Yeah.
And remembering what's up there.
Yeah. Can't exactly throw it in reverse, you know?
Yeah.
Keep riding here or go up on top?
What's up on top?
I don't know. How about if I just go and show you? Sound good? Fun one, isn't it? Chute we're coming down on the right, and then one we're going up on the left. I went way to the left, and there's another drop off, so I cut back and came down the chute you normally go up. That's when I ran into you.
That's the first time I thought I wasn't going to make it.
Really? Why? Because of me?
I slowed down enough for you that I was in too high of a gear.
Oh.
And I just barely crept over the top.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that route on the left there, it's runnable. There's a drop and then you just shoot back up again. But I wasn't ready for it, so I bailed. I saw the U-turn and took it.
I want to do something else. I just don't know what.
Okay.
Nope. There.
Let me do that shoot, and then we'll try something else.
Can I follow you, or?
Yeah, just make sure I crest before you get too committed, okay?
Yep. At the top of the chute we go up, there's like one that cuts into it. Is that where you crest?
Yeah.
That's just in time.
Man, almost made it.
Almost.
So close.
I thought I hit it fast enough. No, I thought you were going fast enough, but it stuck me in there.
Not enough room for 3 wheels through there.
Nope, not too many wheels today. Yeah.
I like your rides.
Thank you.
Those 250s?
Yeah.
A buddy of mine had one of those when I was young.
Both versions, the Yamaha and the Honda.
Oh, yeah. That's the one he had. That's quite a rig. I like that.
What's that? Oh, the machete.
Well, the whole thing. You got a nice setup.
Bike, yeah. It's a beast.
Machete come in handy much?
Do a lot of trail riding.
Okay. What are you doing? Can't find it? Huh.
I'm gonna figure it out.
Alright. Right behind you. Found it.
Yeah, and it was boring. See, at the top there's like supposed to be a jump, like in your mind there's a nice jump on the, like, looking down it on the right. Nope, I'm gonna do your loop from earlier.
Okay, following you.
What happened? Tried to get fancy?
I was coming up, and I hit that little jump, and then I was leaning way too far to the left. But the bank was right there, and I was afraid to put my foot down.
I figured out for this one, I don't know if it's a good idea to try and go over it because of how squirrely everything is when you land, you know?
Well, if you goose it on top, you might not get any traction, and you might go nose down.
On the far right of it looks like you could come up it. I'm thinking about that.
Maybe. Risk versus reward.
It'd be pretty easy to come up that.
You think so?
Yeah.
Come right up through, and then... Yeah, maybe. I would not try this.
Yeah.
It's solid enough to throw you back. But you're right, you might get... You got some good speed over there and momentum, you could probably pop right over it.
Easy, isn't it? it?
Yeah, it is. It's easier than the ones that are all loosened up, you know? But it's fun. Nice little kicker on top. I wasn't sure how hard to hit it.
Doesn't really matter.
Nah, it's pretty smooth either way.
With your back end.
Okay. Cool. Gonna go again. That one threw my feet right off of the foot pegs.
What gear?
Oh, I don't know, second? Probably.
I hit this in fourth.
Did you really?
No.
Your back end got a little kick there at the end. What do you think of that? More than you were expecting?
Yeah, but I knew it was going to happen eventually.
You knew it was coming, huh? Okay. Cool. So fun. What do you think of that guy?
Fun to watch.
Yeah.
You ready to move, or you want to keep hitting it?
Yeah, I'm ready to move on. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Follow me.
Okay, will do.
Start it up.
If you get here, you're home free. That's no problem.
I found the bumps, and I can see them from here. I went halfway up and took a right.
I would not go up the one you're looking at. That's all full of ruts.
I think I can do it. It doesn't look bad.
No, I think I'll follow you up it. Actually, tell you what, I'll stay here. You run it. You feel good? I'm confident for you. Something a little bigger, as he puts it. This will be the biggest one that he's tried here at Coal Hill. I think he can do it. He's done better. Here he comes, first attempt. Steepest climb yet. Woohoo! There's Zach! Just realized, you ran that before I did, little guy. Louder.
Third gear 10.
That's it. All right, here I come. You know what was even worse? I got about 20 feet ahead of you, noticed you on the bank, so I put the camera on you and turned my head toward you. You threw off my balance and I lost my stuff coming up through the last section. I almost ended up cutting down over there to the U-turn. Good times, good times. It's not too bad, is it? I guess it's like any of these hill climbs. You got to get up the confidence to try it once. And you probably did.
Start it up.
What's up, bud?
Alright, so I'm sitting over there at the top of the hill, right?
Yeah?
Top of the hill climb. I look over here. Somewhere in this general area, a Jeep comes over the hill.
No way.
Yes.
No way.
Not lying. And the hill we go down over there, they went across and went down that hill. No lie.
A Jeep climbed this?
Somewhere around here.
Wow. Did it look like it was coming straight up over the hill?
I think it might have been coming over this bank right here, like it was looking down over the edge. But I didn't see it before, so it must have climbed something over here.
Man, I'd love to see the video. That looks pretty amazing.
Video? You're the one with the GoPro.
Do you mean you looked over today?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I just thought of it when we were coming up here. Forgot to tell you down there.
You sure you didn't dream it?
What?
You sure you didn't dream it?
No, positive. Because I then went down the hill, turned around, came back up. I looked to my right and it's going down the hill we go down.
What kind of Jeep?
I don't know, Wrangler?
Like a big tire Jeep?
Jeep like.
Huh, not like a dune buggy.
No.
No kidding. It's pretty amazing.
I think it was coming up over like this, looking down over the bank, but still it came up with something over there because we were over there the whole time, so.
Yeah.
Came up with something.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Came up that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, look at the tire tracks.
But that's not easy. I mean, look at that little bank right there. I'm surprised it wouldn't roll over there.
Yeah, and look right here. You can see the tire tracks.
Oh yeah. Was it crawling or flying?
He was just crawling. He was going slow. He knew what was up here.
Okay. I'd be afraid I couldn't see the other edge over the hood of the vehicle. You know?
Yeah, but that's where he came up.
Check out all those railroad ties.
Well,
You can imagine back in the day what it must have looked like up here and how tall it was back then before it eroded. See those hills? I don't think we can climb them, but I'd like to look at them.
Yeah, follow me.
Okay. Well, that explains why nobody's climbing this.
Found your truck.
Truck's looking pretty tiny from here, isn't it?
Anyway, I told you I'd find it.
You found it. Nice view.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go up this trail a little further, see what it does. Ta-da! Now we can see what's on the other side of those trees. So it looks like there's a road, but it also looks like there's a drop-off on the other side of the road. I wonder how full that lake gets after a good heavy rain. How do you even get in there? Maybe that's where this trail's taking us. Let's go check it out.
Got a solid 10 feet off that.
What?
Yes.
What'd you do?
Jumped it.
What'd you jump?
That one we were talking about that we didn't know if there was a ravine, but then we realized there wasn't.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, be careful.
Because there's a rock wall at the top.
Yeah?
And I hit it with a bunch of speed and that rock wall kicked you up.
Oh my gosh.
10 feet.
Wow. Well, be careful, man. Be careful.
Well, maybe not 10, maybe like 8, but still.
Okay.
I was flying.
Okay. Oh. Let's go check it out. I'm not going to hit 10 feet, but I want to hit it.
Can't see.
Yeah, just get it. The sun's in a bad spot.
Yeah, I think I'm done now.
Okay, let's go wash them up.